Hello, today we're going to do a SPSS paired sample t-test, also called a dependent sample t-test through the UWA or University of West Alabama's remote lab. So let's get started here. So I'm going to go to the SPSS software and I am going to load my information. So now once I find the file that I want to load into SPSS. Now I save my file as an Excel file, so that means I have to go into my documents here and I have to look for the file name. Now it's not going to pull up an Excel file until I change what I'm looking for. So I'm going to go down here where it says file type, and I'm going to tell it that I'm looking for an Excel file. So once I open it, then I go down and tell it to look for Excel documents. And so when I do that, my file will show up. Now, dependent sample t-test is used basically for a pre and post test or before and after, such things like weight loss, test and retest. Two groups are matched on specific characteristics. So once my data opens up here, there are going to be several things that I'm going to do to analyze my data. But before I analyze it, I'm going to have to save it. So once it opens here, I'm going to go up to File, and I am going to save my data into SPSS. So it'll be a file in SPSS, not an Excel file. So then when I get ready to analyze my data, I can analyze it from SPSS. So I have two files. I have a data file and then I have a output file. So I'm in the process now of saving the paired sample t-test, and then once I save it, I'll analyze it. So now, what will I be looking for once I analyze it? Well, there's a few things that I'm going to assume about this data. I'm assuming that the end values will be the same for both pre and post test. The dependent variable is a ratio, is on the ratio scale. The dependent variable is nominally distributed, and the independent variable is on the nominal scale. So now, once I get my data loaded and hit analyze, I want to move my variables to the dependent or variable 1. I'm going to take the pre scores, pre BCD scores, and I'm going to load them into variable 1, and then I'm going to load the second one into variable 2, which I did. And so now it shows me the table where the scores have been analyzed. And what I'm looking for in this table is I'm looking for the mean of both groups, the pre-test group and the standard deviation. I'm looking for, in the post group, I'm looking for also the mean and the standard deviation here. And so this table gives me all the information I need. I'm looking for where down here at the bottom where it says paired sample test, I'm looking for the difference in the mean, the standard deviation, and then it's going to show me my 95% confidence interval, and it's going to give me the t-value, which I'm looking for, the degrees of freedom, and the significance level. So once I do this, I can now begin to do my write-up, where I'm going to do a discussion and a results section. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. Hope this was helpful.